Hi guys, welcome back to Destination Motorhomes. My name's Tom and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2022 Auto Trail V-Line 635 Sport. Now as you can see, this vehicle is in Artense Grey. It's on the Fiat automatic gearbox and it's also had the power upgrade, so it's got 160 brake horsepower. Let's take a walk around. Now on this side of the vehicle you can see we've got the 16-inch alloy wheels down the bottom. We've got your mains hookup. We've also got an external shower point, which is handy if you've got pets, muddy bikes, muddy boots. You don't want to be traipsing the mud into the van, so it works really well. You've got your cassette toilet, and then you've got your fresh and waste water drains just down the bottom. Now, if we come around the rear of the vehicle, you can see, unlike most camper vans, it doesn't have barn doors, it has an actual boot. So if I just lift this up, you can see we've got storage space in the rear, as well as under here, having storage for your levelling blocks, your awning rail and your external table. Now with this vehicle you can use the internal table outside, so you've got a nice little stand here so that it's nice and stable outside, so you can use it for your barbecues and things like that. Now as we come around to this side of the vehicle, you can see we've got your LPG fill-up point just here. Now it is a 25 litre tank, 20 litres for gas and 5 for expansion. We've also got your water filler point, electric entrance step, and if you look up the top, we've got a full length awning, which when wound out pretty much adds a van on a van. So it is brilliant. As we go on in, you'll also notice that we have a fly screen on the habitation door, and we also have a gas barbecue point. Let's take a look on the inside. Now we come into the cab of the vehicle, you can see we've got 2 captain seats. We've also got features such as cruise control. You've got your 9-speed automatic gearbox with 3 different drive modes. So you've got eco, normal and power. You've also got cab air conditioning, a full set of cab blinds. And if you look just above me here, you've also got the pano view, which allows for a lot of natural lighting coming into the vehicle. Now just down on my left, you'll see you've also got your removable table, which can be positioned either at the front here. So if you want to have a coffee while someone's still in bed, you can. Or if you want to use it for your evening meal, it can be placed just at the rear back there. So now we're in the kitchen, you can see we've got this handy worktop extension just here. So it gives you loads of worktop space, including over here on the right hand side. We've got a good sized sink. We've got plenty of storage down below, so you've got a cutlery drawer, things like that all down there. You've got a full size oven with 3 gas rings up the top. You can see nice good size in there. We've got the microwave just up the top. And then just on my right hand side, we've also got the bathroom. Now, as you come slightly further back in the vehicle, you can see just down below, we've also got a good size fridge freezer, which is a 3-way fridge freezer, meaning you can run it off gas, the leisure battery or off the mains hookup. Now, as we come into the rear of the vehicle, you can see just here, we've got a good size wardrobe. So things like shirts, jackets, things like that will all fit in there, no problem at all. And then coming into the rear, we've got a lovely U-shaped lounge. We have access to the garage just down below. Now, we also have a TV bracket on the wall and a TV prep point. And this vehicle also on the roof has a solar panel and it also has a TV aerial. There's lots of big windows at the back, making, once again, lots of natural lighting coming into the van. You also have a full set of removable carpets as well. Now what I'll do, I'll make this all up into the bed and you can take a look at that as well. Now, as you can see, the bed is all made up. It's a really, really good size, meaning 2 people can sleep in there really, really comfortably, and it only takes 2 minutes to make up. And just up the top up here, you'll see we've got the Whale gas and electric hot water and heating system. And this vehicle is covered just under 19,000 miles. It is at 3.5 tonne, meaning you can drive it on a standard driver's license, which is perfect nowadays. And if you want any more information on this vehicle, please feel free to check out our website, destinationmotorhomes.co.uk, or why not pop in and say hello. We look forward to seeing you soon.